garlic. And this is the ginger. You might have said, why am I take so long? But you have to get the thing the right and proper way. A lot of people out there need this recipe. Alright? So, me no want no one come said, why are you taking so long? If you have something to do, go and clean the house or do something, cook some food or, whatever you want to do. But this is an important recipe for my audience who need it tonight. Here it is. We got the garlic, we got the ginger right here. So we got 1, 2 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of fresh organic ginger. Some hot water. Once you put in the hot water and the garlic and the ginger, leave it right there like that.